Miami Association of Realtors offers you Proxio. To sign into Proxio, simply visit miamirealtors.com and click on the Miami Gateway. Once in our dashboard, find the Proxio icon as shown above. That will bring you to Proxio Connect. Watch the video for Proxio Connect on YouTube and Facebook. This video is about Proxio Showcase. To get to Proxio Showcase, here on the right-hand side, simply click Edit My Showcase to edit it. Proxio Showcase back office area for realtors only. The first thing we're going to do here to start engaging and adding Showcase is to click Property Search. Note that the Property Search allows you to search, once you click Property Search, by location, property types, condos, residential, luxury listings, single family, townhouse, Gulf communities, residential low, vacation, by price, beds, phase of construction, and text. An example, if you're looking in Miami, type into Miami in the text format and click search. Once you start to search, simply come in and select to follow the property on all of those that interest you. Follow the property. Click and follow as many as you'd like. Once finished on the page, select More Properties and continue to review and search all the properties that you would like to follow. Notice the ones that have a name usually represent developments, and the ones with a physical address are a listing that the listing agent has upgraded to Platinum Plus and therefore is sharing the listing with you. They're allowing you to showcase and feature their listing. Take as many time as you like and select as many as you'd like. Once you're finished, come back up on the page and let's click on Home. Once on Home, if you are a Miami Platinum Plus member and you've upgraded, notice that you'll have an area here to engage all of those that have followed your property. This is a Miami Platinum Plus perk. For those of you that are subscribers, that are non-subscribers but members of Miami, when you follow projects and developments and listings, you will get information like what appears here. The next important thing after adding properties is to come to Edit Profile. Here, click on Edit Profile, where you will be able to add a backdrop photo, cover photo, your picture. Notice this image here. You can purchase one, take one yourself, and to add it and upload a new cover image, you would click here the white arrow, and it says Upload a new cover image. Select, and note that the dimensions are 1,200 pixels by 350 pixels. Your photo, upload, you would choose the file and a minimum of 170 by 220 pixels. And add your broker logo. Update, put it in. If you have an issue with any of these items, please be sure to write a message to support@proxio.com. Let them know that you're a Miami member, put your name and license number, and what it is that the error that you have. Continuing, notice that this begins an About Me segment of your profile. Your name seeps through from the information provided by the association. The public URL that we're creating as a showcase allows you to change this portion. It permits letters and numbers, no special characters, a minimum of 4, maximum of 30. The domain and name you're creating and site is https://www.proxioshowcase.com/px/ and the personalized name you give it here. Your contact email, and then please come in and add your phone number and cell phone number. The company name, if did not come through, go ahead and add. And very important, your title, Realtor, Realtor Associate, or as you name yourself on your business cards. The license number, if it does not appear, go ahead and add it. And then professional headline. Here, we always say that if you're working on your branding, brand it as you would your social media sites and website. And you have 255 spaces here to add a headline. You do have 2,500 characters to talk about yourself. Here I've provided something that you may use if you would like. I'll give you a second so that you can preview it. Location is your office location to make sure you put your broker address so that the map shows the location correctly. Then come down and put awards, qualifications, credentials that you've earned. Keep on scrolling, select the languages that you speak just by clicking. Then come and click specialties. If there's something not listed here that you would like to add, simply click other and type in your selection. If you have a cover video that you would like to show that is on YouTube or Vimeo, just put the URL of the video here. It will show as your cover photo. Then proceed to add the links to your social sites if you have them: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Skype, website, and WhatsApp. Notice that it says, please add the number with all indicators for country. WhatsApp's click to chat allows you to begin a chat with someone. Note that I first just added 1305 and then this was added. This feature is something new that has just shown up in Proxio, June 2019. Once you have finished here, go ahead and click Save. Remember to take a minute to put all your social sites information. Remember when you go to your social sites to be sure to go to the profiles that you would like to link to. Remember that we always recommend for these sites to be the ones for your business pages. Once you've created these, you may have profile tabs. Make sure that you at least have an About Me and a Property one. Properties allow you to have the property search of the international MLS and referral system. Depending on the properties you've selected, you will have new developments and featured listings. My Listings is only a part of your featured listings here of your tabs if you're a Miami Platinum Plus member and you have upgraded one of your listings to show in the showcase. Once you have completed here, click Proxio Showcase, and let's get back to the home. Several other features to show you. Manage developments and manage listings allows you to accommodate them in the order that you would like. So you can actually come and click Sort Subscriptions and put them in the order you would like them to appear on your page. Simply click, move it over. And once you're done, click Finish. Sales Kit is a feature that seems to be attractive to everyone because you can select and then send properties or brochures to customers directly. Leads. Since this is a website, if you have someone follow and come to your site and they request information, their information will be captured, an email will be sent to you, and it will also be kept here. This is also exportable for you to use in your CRMs. Contacts. If you add contacts when you send out the sales kit, or you would like to come and click New Contact and add it in, you could do so here. For Miami Platinum Plus members that have upgraded a listing to have a mini site in Proxio Connect, you have these three next tabs. Your listings will show here. The followers to your listings will show here, and the date that they have followed. And you will have an analytics for your property. One that says all properties and then selecting each property. This analysis provides information on who is following, where they are from, any news followers, etc. After all this is completed, note that the website that you've created, the link to it is here. Click over and open up your Proxio showcase. Now it is ready to copy and share wherever it is that you would like. Once you have it ready, be sure to test your social sites to make sure that they are working correctly. Note that this page translates to all of these languages. And the most exciting part, you have a property search that translates into 17 languages. The listings here are first yours, then your brokerages, then listings around the world. Notice that customers can come to your page and select Miami MLS and search Miami or search the global MLS. This was a sneak peek to Proxio Showcase. Remember that you can visit us at any of our classes and take this class with us for more additional features on how to market it. This is one of 2 products offered by Proxio to our Miami members. Thank you for being a Miami member.